Hi guys, this is Wero, and in this video I'm going to show you something very interesting. Today I'm going to show you how to set your rooms on fire. So make sure to stick around with me until the video is finished, and the result will be at the end of this video. Alright, let's begin. First step, I set up my lighting like this. On my right side I choose a red filter, and then on my left side I use orange filter, just to give it more variations and feels to the scene, and of course to make the fire looks there and it's not fake. Yeah. Second step is I subscribe actionvfx.com because they provide a lot of fire footage that I can use for my project. They provide like lens flare, spark, smoke, fog, everything, so I can use that for my project to make it more realistic. And last but not least is of course the post-production. So I use Adobe After Effects to edit the video. I combine it together, all of the video that I download from actionvfx.com. So after I finish the composition, I put turbulent displays on the composition, so just to make it more realistic. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So enjoy the result.